At the heart of Central Luzon, where infrastructure, industry, and innovation converge, rises a province that does more than connect regions. It opens them to the world. This is Pampanga, a strategic gateway to the north, anchored by world-class infrastructure and seamless global access. Today, Pampanga stands as a premier hub of mobility and commerce, linking the Philippines to the Asia-Pacific and the rest of the world. Here, the land provides, but more than that, it produces. Blessed with fertile plains and entrepreneurial skill, Pampanga drives the nation's food sector. It's not just feeding families, it's fueling industries. Where others saw devastation, Pampanga saw potential. The once ash-covered landscape of Mount Pinatubo now fuels a thriving quarry industry, turning sand into billions and creating ground-up growth that benefits communities and local governments alike. And from the ashes, industry rose. Pampanga has built a balanced economy. Manufacturing meets logistics. Steel meets smart construction. Craft meets commerce. Business registration rose 6.7% in 2024, reflecting strong investor confidence and a vibrant entrepreneurial base. But Pampanga's growth isn't just physical, it's creative. Here, innovation and design scale into global enterprise. From intricately crafted Metis furniture exported worldwide to haute couture and high-fashion labels making their mark internationally, Kapampangan artistry competes at a global level.
Philippines!
Even global players are taking notice. Companies like Pearl Philippines Incorporated, a luxury bag manufacturer employing thousands, are tapping into the talent, scalability, and reliability of Kapampangan workforce. At the heart of this momentum lies the Clark Freeport Zone, a dynamic ecosystem where innovation, tourism, and enterprise converge. Clark stands as one of the country's most exciting investment frontiers, designed for scalable, inclusive, and globally competitive growth. Pampanga doesn't just feed, it glides. Its food manufacturing sector bridges mass production and artisanal excellence, with brands like Pampanga's Best and McKinney now exporting globally. Meanwhile, cultural tourism flourishes. World-renowned festivals turn streets into economic engines, showing faith, heritage, and community pride. And for travelers and investors alike, Pampanga offers ecotourism opportunities. From scenic mountains and hot springs to emerging resorts and nature destinations. Ready for sustainable investment and development. Pampanga's progress is not by chance. It is by leadership, with governance rooted in malasakit or genuine compassion. The province invests deeply in education, healthcare, and livelihood, always prioritizing the well-being of every Kapampangan. No wonder Pampanga is now among the wealthiest provinces in the country. In 2023, it ranked second nationwide in local source revenues, generating 2.345 billion pesos, and retained in second place, standing in LSR to income ratio at 39.65%, a consistent top performer since 2019. Located in a region growing at 6.5%, Pampanga's momentum is driven by strong infrastructure, thriving services, and robust industry. And the results are clear, not only in rising local prosperity, but in lives uplifted here and abroad. Home to one of the largest OFW communities, Pampanga benefits from steady remittances that help fuel its economy. In fact, the latest PSA data shows poverty dropping dramatically from nearly 3% in 2021 to just 1% in 2023. Spanning 19 towns and 3 cities, Pampanga has emerged as a hub of culture, enterprise, and innovation. Propelled by modern infrastructure, smart investments, and world-class talent. Pampanga isn't just rising, it is ready for the world. And now, the world is ready for Pampanga.